And they don't do this every day, guys. Normally they go straight to bed. This is pretty special, especially with all the babies together. This is really special. All having a moment. I'm always having moments here. Oh, up you get. Oh. All those banana balls.
Keep trying. Oh, oh, yeah.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh,
Oh, come on, baby. Come on, little boy.
oh.
Poor sausage. The girls are like, what are you doing?
Boom.
She's going to lay there and rest.
Oh, there are the other guys pushing.
Oh, they're helping. Come on, Poopia. Come on, sausage. What do you get? Look at him flanked by the girls. And there, I can't see which Elliot is.
Look, he's
We've
pushing.
got one on the scratch post. That's Meadow's scratch post from earlier. Oh yeah, have a good scratch.
There you go. Whoop, bang.
He's drunk. What were in them banana balls, eh?
There were rum and bananas.
I think there was rum. Poor little boy.
I don't think it's going to be like leveraging a leg underneath of it.
What is he doing?
He's trying to get up. He can't get up.
He's crazy. He doesn't normally have this much trouble. I think he is drunk. That's it. Come on. Oh. Oh no, the problem is if he can't get up, he might scream out to his mum for help. So you may see like mum or big sister.
Oh, there, he's pushing.
Yeah, come on, people.
Finally. Oh!
Oh my God.
He wants to ride out.
What time is it? Okay, 1/4 past. Beautiful. I'm